From Diacom Spain, we welcome you. Now we'll show you Urmium program. Step 1. Configuration. In this tutorial, we'll occupy ourselves with the program's technical part, as well as its interface. On a first glance, the interface appears to be complicated. Nevertheless, that's just a first impression. The program is quite easy to use, and it allows a wide range of possibilities. First, there's the chance to automatically scan auto-diagnosis, which allows the operator to resort to a minimal number of steps to get results. Open Urmium program. Double-click on Program icon. On the following screen, Session Start screen, you shall select an administrator account, and in the lower field, enter the same password as created the first time the program was run. This action is to be performed each time you start session in the program. On the other hand, if new users are created, each one of them will have name and password to start session. Administrator created password for users. Still, if needed, that can be changed by users in the future. Therefore, select username, her account, and enter password. For the next window, click on File. The main window has different areas, each one standing for the different elements. On the topmost sector of the image, there is outlined as icons the area marked in red. Icons can be hidden through Configuration menu in the assigned lower part of the menu of Windows programs. We also have Client List, which shows the client list. Scanned organs, this line in Occupation tab, can be grouped by consult, ticket, organs, kind, icons, or by alphabetical order of graphical investigation. Graph shows the graph for anabolic processes in blue and catabolic processes in red. Organ picture. Just below the graph, it shows a picture representation for virtual organ or organ system model with symbols, allowing assessing energy being represented for the organ or system. Events. The organ features an area for so-called events. This consists mainly of an integrated journal, helping not only to work on the program, but also to run a certain information component. Before starting with the program, adaptation configuration is in order. In order to do that, go to Parameter screen, signaled in the window below. Parameter screen has three tabs. The first tab, Pattern Group, it allows to identify some of the norms with which the user requires ongoing work. The second window, User, allows to customize the virtual model list both for organs and systems as required for the obligatory periodical digitalization according to user schedule, as her sole description. The third window, Adjustments, allows the fine adjustment for digitalization processes. It allows the configuration of frequency of requests for the organism. The greater the velocity for analysis, the fewer the number of requests. This reduces precision of estimation. Recommended scan speed between 80 and 90%. Process deviation coefficient. This allows to configure analysis according to time of the year. For summer, black or red. Spring, yellow-green. Winter, cyan. Fall, black to violet. The next line, weighing coefficients. This function allows to adjust the program according to operational region. The fact that human body state in either north or south is different. Health status in tropical zones is different to that in, say, the zone of Alaska. This parameter shall be set individually for optimal sync. placing the 0.40 to 0.50 area. In Spain, the optimal zone would lie above 0.80. The program also includes the option to select the box labeled Create Evaluation Independent to Energy. This option allows to select energetic dependence for the organism relative to evaluation of its frequency. Frequency for the body can be either white or black, and energy flux can be either positive or negative. By selecting assessment independent of energy image, this becomes more accurate and allows to perform follow-up of concealed processes. Sound on. This option allows to activate all of the program's sounds if applicable, as required by user. The following 4 ticks allows the selection of mapping standards in the analysis of their relevance. Such parameters can be directly modified in analysis as it is considered necessary. The last parameter, CSS greater than 1200. If we unselect it, it causes etalons with index greater than 1200 not to appear on diagnosis screen. These parameters are relevant, and its adequate adjustment is contingent to the precision of the exploration and successive evaluation of human body's energy. Upon setting of all required parameters, press OK button to save selections. Now you are able to start working with the program. For that, go to the next step of this guide.